Hi everyone, Keyless Entry here. Today I'm just doing a quick pick Thursday video. Long while back I got this little ILCO 30mm and it was in sort of bad shape when I got it. I got this one when I went out and bought some locks off Gumtree, and I think they were the Papaye's locks, and the guy selling them actually threw this one in for free. It came with a key as well. So today I've just spent the day refurbishing it because it was quite sticky and it didn't spring open like that, and the locking port in there kept getting jammed and the key would not return, just like that. Sort of, it's still a bit jammy. So I've just used some 3-in-1 oil, and it's a lot better than it was. As you can see there, still that oil still needs to work in a little bit. As you can see, it works fine. The only thing's the shackle on this part, where it says hardened, was quite rusted, and you can see all the pitting in the shackle there. But this side looks great. All right, so yeah, it's got the red little inlay there. I'm not sure if you can make that out on the ILCO. Yeah, so all right, let's try to give it a pick for Quick Pick Thursday. There is your bitting. There's a little bit of oil on there still. So it's a 4-pinner, so you just got up, down, sorry, down, up. So it's not too crazy. The keyway is slightly paracentric. It's sort of like a Yale style keyway, like a mini sort of Yale. Alrighty, so let's close it back up and give it a pick. So let's do this one in hand, even though it's small. Might be hard to hold on to, but we'll try to do it in hand. So just gotta find the right tensioner. Okay, so that 0.8 I think is going to be good. Alright. And I'll try these two picks, and the two favourites, of course. And do a bit of zoomage. And see if I can pick this thing. So alrighty, yeah, it's only a 30mm lock, so it's really hard to hold in hand. But yeah, I've got to get used back into in-hand picking. So here we go. Alright, nothing there on 1. 2 is binding quite heavily. Make sure I'm not on the warding. Okay, got a bit of movement on the core there. Nothing on 3. Okay, 4. I could feel this binding. I think I'm on 4. Okay, start from the beginning again. Okay, now 1 is binding. Okay, got a little bit of click and movement on the core. I think that's 4 there. Oh, and we got an open. So not the hardest pick, as you saw. So yeah, cool little lock, little ILCO 30mm. Let's try to rake it actually, because that was pretty quick. So raking involves bottom of the keyway. So let's get one of these bottom of the keyway tensioners out. See which one fits. I reckon that little one there. Let's get some rakes out. So we'll go with the triple peak bow guitar and see if we can get an open that way. Oh, the tensioner slipped out. That's not a good start. So let's see if we can get an open here. Might try the good old rocking motion. I don't usually do a lot of raking, so out of practice here. Oh, there we go. So the triple peak works. What else can we try? Let's try the, I reckon the W rake might work, because if you take a look at the key and the rake, that pretty much lines up on those two there. So I can get a nice hit on there and sort of there, that'll be an open. So let's try and do that. So I don't know if I should scrub it, just gently scrub it, or try to get in there. Oh, I felt a little bit of give on the core there. I think I had it in a bit too far. Oh, and we got an open. So not a real high security lock, but sometimes it is fun to rake open a few locks, or a lock. I'm not a big raker, I mainly focus on SPP, but it is fun to rake every now and then. Let's try this guy here from Lock. This one here, I think that's the Nessie, I'm not too sure. Let's see if we can get in with that. So just pulsing on the tensioner. This one might be better at scrubbing. Okay, maybe this might be too big. You can see that oil on there working its way down, because I did pour some oil down the shackle hole to free up that locking pour. And not getting much love out of this at the moment. I'll try the rocking technique. That might be a little bit too big, this rake, I think. Still want to give it a good crack though, but yeah, you can see all the oil in there still. Yeah, which probably doesn't make it easier to pick, and this might be binding on the bottom here. Might use a little bit different tensioner. Let's try that one more time with this one here. We'll get one more go with this one. If it doesn't work, oh, there we go. Yeah, I think the tensioner was binding on the body. Alright, let's try one more. Let's try the worm. Trusty Sparrow's worm. Use the wider tensioner. And we'll try the worm. Nice little scrub there. Bit up and down action. Yep. A bit of a rock. Okay, I felt something go there, but I think this tensioner is binding on the body. Doesn't look it, but okay, let's give it one more go. Let's try the rocking technique on this one. There we go, and we got an open. Alright, cool. I reckon that'll be long enough for a quick Pick Thursday video. Yes, that was the ILCO 30mm little lock that I've just rejuvenated, so back to working condition. Pops beautifully now. The key still gets a little bit stuck, as you can see, but that's, I think it's mainly to do with that locking pour in there getting stuck in there. So I've put some oil down there. Hopefully that'll work its way in nicely, and if not, I'll get some silicone spray and deal with it that way. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.